In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create any music song on Suno 5 minutes. We'll go from opening Suno to generating your first tracks with clear tips to get reliable results. First, open your browser and head to the official Suno website at suno.com. Starting on the official site ensures you have the latest features and a safe sign-in experience. Next, create an account. You can sign up with a Google login or a standard email. Pick whichever you prefer, complete the prompts, and sign in. Once you're in, Suno automatically adds daily free credits to your account, typically 50 per day, which is usually enough for around 10 songs. Keep an eye on your credit balance so you can plan your experiments without running out mid-session. After you're signed in, look for the Create tab in the interface. That's your workspace for generating music. Click it to open the composition panel. Here, choose the mode that matches the control you want. Simple mode is great if you want fast results with a short description like upbeat pop with energetic drums. Custom mode gives you more precision, letting you guide the vibe, structure, and vocal style with a detailed prompt. If you want music without vocals, pick instrumental or pure music mode, which focuses on melody, harmony, and rhythm only. A helpful tip: be specific about genre, mood, tempo feel, and any instruments you care about. Phrases like cinematic slow build, warm strings, gentle piano, 90 BPM feel can steer the output effectively. When your prompt and mode are ready, click the Create button. Suno will process your request and usually return two different versions of your song within a few minutes. If the queue is busy, give it a moment. You can continue brainstorming prompts while you wait, then compare the versions to see which direction you like better. Now listen to the generated tracks from start to finish. Pay attention to the intro, transitions, and ending, and decide which version best fits your idea. Feel free to iterate by refining your prompt and generating again until the mood, pacing, and instrumentation feel right. One important note: music created on a free account is intended for non-commercial use, so treat these tracks as personal or experimental projects. That's it. You've navigated to Suno, signed in, used the Create tab, chosen a mode, generated, and listened. Try a few different prompts today and build your own mini playlist. Thanks for watching and happy creating.